Sepia at Sunset, a poetic video experience, written and recited by Ken Allen Dronsfield. Enjoy. Behind you are all of your memories. Before you lay all of your dreams. Around you are those who love you. Deep within lies the passion for life. Once again, it's autumn, my friend, and leaves and temperatures do fall. I've been here in the squally sens, weeping willows and waves withal. Been too long in tempestuous rains, fingers wrinkled like dried prunes, coldness felt deep within my brain, hair wet and dripping by the dunes. Tranquility whispers upon my skin, with a crescendo of a chilled sensation. Anticipate a warmth, watching the puffins, basking serenely in the Sepia elation.